Whatever you're doing, stop. Are you a coach, speaker, course creator, or a feminine-leaning entrepreneur? Do you find yourself getting distracted easily while you work? Do you feel stressed and chaotic throughout your workday? Is it difficult for you to find your notes in the sea of papers and coffee cups that you have on your desk? And can you find that email or that file that you need for your assistant really quickly and easily? Or does it take you some time to search for things? If you're saying yes to any of those things, then I have a training for you. I am doing a 3-day mini course for free on September 12th to 14th called the 3 Keys to Optimize Your Home Office. You want to make more money. You want to grow your business and have more freedom in your life. This training is for you. If you want to stop wasting your precious time on searching for documents or files or emails and use your time more on income generating tasks, then this training is for you. It's 3 days, September 12th to 14th at 3 p.m. Pacific. Check the caption for more info and how you can register, and I will see you there.